Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, as you know, in our yesterday's session, we were doing the addition of the measurement of length. Okay, so we have done up to question number 6. Actually, we have done 2 questions in the online class, and rest of the homework I have given you, rest of the parts I have given you as a homework. Okay, so now there are some word problems, or there are some statement sums, not word problems. We will call it as statement sums. Okay, so now we will begin with the statement sums of exercise 12.3. Okay, so I'll just write in the topic, that is exercise 12.3. Okay, so the first one is, okay, the first 6 questions were related to the simple addition, and that we have already done. So now we will going to start with the 7th question. So that is a statement sum. Okay, 7th is, Vaibhav measures the school playground and finds that it is 186 meter 93 centimeter long and 98 meter and 85 centimeter wide. How much total distance did he measure? So वैभव एक लड़का है, उसने अपने स्कूल का प्लेग्राउंड मेजर करना शुरू किया, एंड व्हाट ही नोटिस्ड, उसने क्या नोटिस किया, जो उसकी लेंथ है, लॉन्ग मीन्स लेंथ, व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दैट प्लेग्राउंड, दैट इज 186 मीटर लॉन्ग and 90 cent. The length of that playground is 86 meter and 93 centimeter. Okay, and wide means width means breadth, चौड़ाई, उसकी चौड़ाई कितनी है, that is 98 meter and 85 centimeter. How much total distance did he measure? So उसने total distance कितना measure किया, that we have to tell you. Okay, so writing down question number 7. Okay, so length of playground, length of playground कितनी है जो उसने मेजर की थी, that is 186 meter and 93 centimeter. 186 meter and 93 centimeter. Okay, then breadth of playground, BREADTH, breadth of playground, उसकी चौड़ाई कितनी है, that is 98 meter 85 centimeter. 98 meter 85 centimeter. Okay, now हमें निकालना क्या है, ये चीज, that is more important here. How much total distance did he measure? तो total distance ये नहीं बताना कि what is the length and breadth of the total length and breadth, हमें ये बताना है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस उसने कितना मेजर किया, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, टोटल डिस्टेंस मेजर, कितना डिस्टेंस टोटल उसने मेजर किया. हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट, we will calculate it by adding these two. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे and we will get the total distance he measured. So the question is in meter and the centimeter, that is 186 meter 93 centimeter, 98 meter and 85 centimeter. So let's add them both. Okay, 9, 3 plus 5, 8, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 will be carried here, 6 plus 8, 14, plus 1, 15, 8 plus 9, 17, plus 1, 18, 1 will be carried here, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total distance measured is, लिखेंगे, therefore 3 dots, therefore total distance measured just a second. Therefore, total distance measured is 285 meter 78 centimeter. This is the total distance measured. Okay, question was given that the boy went to his school playground and he started measuring it. वो बच्चा अपने स्कूल के प्लेग्राउंड में गया and he started measuring his playground and then he measured the length and the breadth of the playground. Length means long, कितना long है और कितना wide है, तो उसने measure किया. So when he measured, he noticed the length of the playground is 186 meter and 93 centimeter and the breadth of the playground is 98 meter and 85 centimeter. So now the question is how much, what is the total distance? Question है कि total distance जो measure किया है वो कितना है, that is the question. So total distance measured ये बताना है हमें कितना, ये नहीं बताना कि total length और breadth कितनी है. The question is उसने total कितना distance measure किया. So total distance measured by that boy whose name was Weber, that we will calculate by adding the length and the breadth. So after adding length and breadth, we got the answer, that is 285 meter and 78 centimeter. So this is the total distance. At last we have written the solution. Therefore, total distance measured is equal to 285 meter and 78 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution of the 7th question of exercise 12.3. So you can just pause the video here and write down the solution of question number 7 of exercise 12.3. Okay. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is, Ritika bought 135 meter 5 centimeter cloth of one kind and 296 meter and 98 centimeter cloth of another kind. How much total cloth did he buy? तो रितिका ने दो तरह के कपड़े खरीदे. ओके, जो एक तरह का कपड़ा था उसकी लेंथ कितनी थी, that is 135 meter and the 5 centimeter. Then she bought a cloth of another kind. उसने फिर एक दूसरी तरह का कपड़ा खरीदा जिसकी जो कितना खरीदा उसने, that is 296 meter and 98 centimeter. तो हमें क्वेश्चन क्या बताना, the question is that how much total cloth did he buy? Okay, so it is a girl whose name is Ritika and she had bought the clothes of two kind. जिसे हम कहते हैं ना कि जॉर्जेट का हो गया, कॉटन का हो गया. So this is how she had bought the clothes of two kind. Suppose she has bought one cloth of georgette and another cloth of cotton, and now of different measurements. उसे अलग अलग measurements का लिया है. Okay, now हमें बताना क्या है, हमें बताना कि what is the total cloth that she had bought, कि उसने total कितना कपड़ा लिया. That is the question here. Okay, so let me just erase it and then we will start with the question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे, वी विल राइट डाउन द क्या लिखेंगे, क्लॉथ ऑफ वन काइंड, क्लॉथ ऑफ सेकेंड काइंड. ओके, Question number is 8. Cloth of one kind. कितना है? Cloth of one kind is, that is 135 meter 5 centimeter. 135 meter and 5 सेंटीमीटर. ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है बेटा, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, वो याद रखिएगा. 5 है, 50 नहीं बनाएंगे हम इसको, 5 ही रखेंगे. ओके, देन शी बॉट अनदर क्लोथ ऑफ सेकेंड काइंड. क्लोथ ऑफ सेकेंड काइंड. कितना उसने परचेज किया? दैट इज 296 मीटर एंड 98 सेंटीमीटर. 296 मीटर एंड 98 centimeter. This is the cloth that she has bought of second kind. Now the question is, how much total cloth did he buy? Total cloth he bought. Not she. It's Ritik, not Ritika. It's Ritik. Total cloth bought. Total cloth bought by Ritik. तो Ritik ने टोटल कितना कपड़ा खरीदा ये हमें बताना है. Total cloth bought, that we have to tell here. So how we are going to calculate that how much total cloth did he buy? So that we are going to calculate by adding these two measurements. So ये दो जो measurements दी हैं, that is 135 meter and 5 centimeter and 296 meter and the 98 centimeter. Now listen very carefully. Here the calculation is very important. Okay, जो आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से करनी है. Okay, so let's add it. Meter, centimeter. 135 meter and 5 centimeter. So ये जो हमारे पास 5 सेंटीमीटर, उसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? या तो इसको 05 लिखेंगे, क्योंकि देखिए सेंटीमीटर्स में हमारे पास 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं, बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिर्फ 5 है, तो 05 लिखेंगे या 50 लिखेंगे. देखिए अगर आप इसको 50 लिखते हैं तो 5 सेंटीमीटर नहीं रहेगा, that will become 50 centimeter. But if you write it as 05, that will be 5 centimeter only. And in the question we are having 5 centimeter only, so that's why we will write it like this. This is the wrong one. We will write it like 05 centimeter. Okay? ये चीज याद रखिएगा. मैंने आपको पिछले जो 2 measurements के चैप्टर थे उसमें भी बताई थी, if you remember. Okay? So that will be 5 centimeter. Second measurement was 296 meter and 98 centimeter. Now add them both. Now we are going to add it. 5 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 9, 10. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, that is 12. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10. Sorry, 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So the total cloth bought by Ritik is 432 meter and 4 centimeter. Therefore, total cloth bought, लिखेंगे, he bought नहीं. Okay, you can also write it like this. Therefore, Ritik bought 432 meter and 4 centimeter cloth. So this is the total length of the cloth, so total measurement of the cloth that is being bought by the Ritik. Okay, so this is the total length, total measurement of the cloth that is bought by Ritik. Okay, so question was that Ritik has bought cloth of two kind. Okay, the measurement are given here. Cloth of one kind is equal to 135 meter and 5 centimeter. Cloth of second kind, that is 296 meter and 98 centimeter. So now the question is that we have to find the total cloth he bought. So total cloth उसने कितना खरीदा ये हमें बताना है. That we will calculate by adding these both the measurements. But in measurement जिसमें important क्या था 5 centimeter. ठीक है, तो ये 5 सेंटीमीटर ही रहना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बिकम द 50 सेंटीमीटर. तो उसको हमें 5 सेंटीमीटर ही रखना है. ओके, सो आफ्टर एडिंग दीज बोथ वी गॉट द आंसर दैट इज 432 मीटर एंड 4 centimeter. So at last we have written the solution sentence. Therefore Ritik bought 432 meter and 4 centimeter cloth. Okay, so this is the total measurement of the cloth that is being bought by the Ritik. Okay, चलिए next one is the question number 9. A village is at a distance of 285 kilometers and 800 meter on one side of the Delhi, and another village is 476 kilometer and 700 meter on the opposite side. Find the distance between the two villages if all of them are in a line. Okay, so इस क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए एक छोटी सी एग्जांपल देती हूँ बेटा पहले मैं आपको. Let's look at the board. Okay, देखिए वो क्या बता रहे हैं. This is the Delhi, the capital of India, that is the Delhi. ये दिल्ली है. इसके दोनों साइड पे एक इस साइड विलेज है और इस साइड विलेज है. एक इस साइड गांव है, एक इस साइड गांव है. ओके, तो जो द विलेज दैट इज एट दिस साइड, इसकी डिस्टेंस कितना है? दैट इज 285 किलोमीटर. 285 किलोमीटर and 800 meter. This is the distance of the one village, and another village is at a distance of 476 meter and kilometer and 700 meter. So जो ये distance है that is from Delhi. That is from Delhi. So ये दिल्ली से इस विलेज का डिस्टेंस है 285 किलोमीटर and the distance of this village from Delhi is 476 kilometer and 700 meter. So this is the different distance of both these villages from Delhi. Delhi से इन दोनों का इसका डिस्टेंस इतना है और इसका डिस्टेंस इतना है. Now the main question what is here we have to do is, the main question is that what is the distance between these two villages. हमें बताना है कि इन दोनों villages के बीच में टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस है. This is the question. So that means ये डिस्टेंस और इस डिस्टेंस दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे, we will get the total distance. Okay, and one more thing, all these three, Delhi and these two villages, these are on the same line, ये एक ही लाइन में है, तो हमें बताना है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है. Okay, so वो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, we will do the addition. Okay, चलिए let's write down question number 9. Distance, okay, of one village distance of first village. In spite of writing one village, you can write first village. Okay, distance of first village कितना है? That is 285 kilometers and 800 meter. 285 kilometer and 800 meter. Okay, next is distance of second village. सेकेंड विलेज का कितना डिस्टेंस है? दैट इज 476 kilometers and 700 meter. 476 kilometer and 700 meter. Okay, so this is the difference of two villages, okay, from the Delhi. Now the question is, find the distance between the two villages. So the distance between two villages that we have to find. Okay, so let's distance between two villages. हमें बताना है दोनों जो विलेजेस हैं उनके बीच में टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस है, दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इट किलोमीटर एंड द मीटर. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज 285 किलोमीटर 800 मीटर. सेकेंड इज 476 किलोमीटर एंड 700 meter. Now add them both. अब इन दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0. 8 plus 7 15. 5 plus 6 11 plus 1 12. 8 plus 7 15 plus 1, that is 16. 2 plus 4 6 plus 1, that is 7. So the answer is 762 kilometers and 500 meter. So this is the difference, so this is the distance between these two villages. So this is the distance between these two villages. So we will write it here. Therefore distance between two villages, therefore difference between two villages is 762 kilometers and 500 meter. Okay, so this is the difference between two villages. Okay, the question was the distance of two villages was given. एक village का distance है दिल्ली से, that is 285 meter and 800 meter. So 285 kilometers and 800 meter. Second village जो opposite side पे उसका distance कितना है? That is 476 kilometers and 700 meter. And both these two villages or these two villages and the Delhi that are on the same line. So हमें बताना था कि what is the total distance between these two villages. एक यहाँ है, एक यहाँ है, and this one is the Delhi. So इन दोनों के बीच का distance बताने के लिए हमें total distance कवर करना पड़ेगा यहाँ तक. So उसके लिए what we will do? We will do the addition by adding the distance of both the villages. So after adding the distance, we got the answer, that is 762 kilometers and 500 meters. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 9 of exercise 12.3. Okay. So class, you can just pause the video. Okay. And don't forget to write the solution sentence at the end of every statement sum. Okay. Do write solution sentence at the end of every statement sums. Just make sure. Okay. This is the solution of question number 9 of exercise 12.3. Okay, now moving next to question number 10. Question number 10 is, Radhika bought 15 meter 85 centimeter red ribbon, 29 meter 13 centimeter black ribbon and 23 meter and 90 centimeter pink ribbon. Find the total ribbon she bought. Yes, जो अभी तक हमने क्वेश्चंस किए बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. तो रेड रिबन, ब्लैक रिबन एंड पिंक रिबन तीनों की अगर जब आप लेंथ ऐड कर देंगे यू विल गेट योर आंसर. ओके, सो दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर गोइंग टू डू बाय योरसेल्फ ओनली. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Ayush drives 65 kilometers 75 meter in the morning, 18 kilometers 960 meter in the evening. How much does he drive altogether? तो आयुष ने ड्राइविंग की है. तो इन द मॉर्निंग उसने चलाई 65 किलोमीटर 75 मीटर एंड इवनिंग में उसने 18 किलोमीटर 960 मीटर कार या कोई भी व्हीकल चलाया उसने. सो हमें बताना सो टोटल कितना ड्राइव किया, टोटल डिस्टेंस ही ड्राइव और द टोटल ड्राइव he made throughout the day. Okay, so let's do question number 10. Ayush drives. Okay, distance drive in the morning, distance drive in the evening. Okay, question number is 11. Okay, distance drive in मॉर्निंग. मॉर्निंग में कितना ड्राइव किया, दैट इज 65 किलोमीटर 75 मीटर. 65 किलोमीटर 75 मीटर. ओके, डिस्टेंस ड्राइव in evening. इवनिंग में कितना चलाई गाड़ी, दैट इज 18 किलोमीटर्स 960 मीटर्स. 18 किलोमीटर्स 960 मीटर्स. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज टोटल ड्राइव. Total distance drive. Total distance ने कितना ड्राइव किया, that we will calculate by adding the total distance in the morning and the evening. Kilometers and meters. 65 kilometers and 75 meters. मीटर्स में 3 डिजिट होते हैं हमारे पास. इफ यू कंपेयर इट विद द किलोमीटर्स, सो यहाँ पे 75 इज मीटर, सो वी विल राइट इट एज 75 नॉट 750. ओके, सो दैट विल बी 0.75 मीटर, 18 किलोमीटर्स एंड 960 meters. Now we will add it. चलिए ऐड करते हैं. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 6 13. 9 plus 1 10. 5 plus 8 13 plus 1 14. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. So the total distance drove is 84 kilometers and 35 meters. Total distance drive is 84 kilometer and 35 meter. This is the total distance he drove. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 11 of exercise 12.3. So you can just pause the video here and write down the solution. Okay, so The distance drive in the morning is given, distance drive in the evening was given, and we have to tell the total distance he drive in the day all together. That we have calculated by adding the distance of both in the morning and the evening. Okay. So this was question number 11. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.